Tonight we're going to be making keto New York strip with the shrimp scampi sauce and a wonderful cauliflower rice. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're going to be coating our prime New York strips with salt and pepper on both sides. Now grabbing our cast iron skillet, adding in some extra virgin olive oil, searing 3 to 4 minutes per side till it reaches 140 degrees. Render the fat cap for some extra flavoring. Then adding in butter, garlic, and thyme and basting this to seal in the flavor. Very nice. Let this steak rest for a total of 10 minutes. Now onto our shrimp scampi, we're going to be adding extra virgin olive oil, sauteing Gulf shrimp with unsalted butter, garlic, shallots. Flip and sear 2 to 3 minutes per side, then adding in bell pepper, lemon juice, white wine, crushed red pepper, salt and pepper to taste. And there we have it. To finish, we're going to be making our cauliflower rice. We're going to be adding in extra virgin olive oil, shallots, garlic sauteed to translucent, then adding in red bell pepper, grated ginger, cauliflower rice, heat and mix well. Very nice. Finishing this off with some turmeric, lime zest, salt and pepper to taste, and lime juice. Very nice. Now we're going to be making our sauteed asparagus. Cooking 1 pound of asparagus. Boil this, then adding in some cold ice bath to make sure to keep the wonderful green color. Then sauteing this with extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper until it's nice and crispy. Perfection. Playtime. We're going to be serving this tonight with a wonderful red wine from Napa Valley, Titus Cabernet Franc. Profiles of red berries, violet aromas followed by dark cherries, pomegranate, and baking spice. Finish with a velvety, smooth, and fine tannins. And there we have it. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now you're here. Bye-bye.